shirt.
Man, this chick is so bad.
Yo, what going to cozy?
Yo,
Brother from another African mother,
brother, man. What's
man? Yo,
man, look.
Yo, question. You go Froribbean Fest Saturday, September 29th?
Man, who's everybody's going there? My wife. She doesn't know you yet though. But my wife, Tiwa Savage, you know she gonna be there.
Yeah.
You know she gonna be there.
I know it's a Bunji Garlin, Alkaline representing the Caribbean. I got the day in a dog.
Look, we about to go in there.
Yeah.
To scatter that place.
What you mean, man? I gotta shell them down, dog.
You already know, man.
Boss.
Damn. Damn.
So we're supposed to one man of our voice. Yeah.
Baby!
Hey,
Baby!
yo, baby girl.
Let me talk to you now.
Yo, hold on, man. You always get them. Yo, baby, look at them, man. I'm gonna give you a piece of sugar cane, you know what I mean, man?
Sugar cane? Leave that thing. Baby, come, let me give you this unripe plantain, this big plantain, man. Let me give you this thing.
Plantain?
Yeah.
I want name plantain, dog.
Plantain. Plantain.
What is plantain?
The big banana now, plantain.
Banana. Oh,
Yes.
you mean the plantain, them dog, the plantain.
Eh?
Plantain, dog.
So you just removed the last A and just said the A should die and go. It's just the A.
Dog, it's a plantain.
It is plantain. Pronounce it well. Plantain. You people speak English. Plantain.
Brother, hold on there. Oh, you say the word mountain. You say mountain or mountain?
See, it is mountain.
Yeah.
These two different words in two different contexts. You
Dog,
know
we are talking about, dog. Is it a fountain or a fountain?
it is fountain. Look.
Alright, it's a plantain.
It depends on the English dictionary. You people should read your dictionary.
What
It's
are
a
we talking
pronunciation.
about, dog?
It's a pronunciation.
Dog.
See, look. That's where you come. Caribbean people. I've been wondering about you people. It's because of this English thing. It's this dancehall. When you people be doing boom ting, boom ting, boom ting.
What you know about dancehall music, dog?
Who doesn't know about dancehall?
Dog, make sure somebody don't see a Froribbean Fest in the dog.
Eh?
I'm gonna fling this one in your face in the dog. What you mean, man?
It's okay. I did not say attack you. But let me tell you something. Afro beats, we're going to come with that. It's a go.
Yo, man. Yo, baby, say, look at the man.
Wait, now I'm talking.
Thank you guys for watching that video. And the winners for this week's ticket giveaways for the Froribbean Fest are Hannah F and Duke Mascot. Please message me on Instagram for details on how to claim your tickets. Now guys, don't worry, I have more tickets to give away, so to enter again for another week in a row for tickets to Froribbean Fest, just comment down below who you want to see. And you know, I know that you guys want to see me, so just tell me down below how much you love me. Alright guys, thank you so much.
Just got hotter. This is guaranteed to be a sold-out event. Froribbean Fest. Log on to FroribbeanFest.com now for event details, artist lineup, and tickets.